Hello guys, my name is Rhode. Welcome to my kitchen's creations. Today we are preparing creamy chicken breast with garlic and butter, and I have some other ingredients here that are totally optional. It's up to you if you want to use them, but they will add a really good flavor to this recipe. I have 3 chicken breasts here. They are totally clean, and also I have here some onions, garlic, mushrooms, bell pepper. I'm using a red one, but if it's up to you if you want to use the green ones or the orange ones or yellow ones. I have 1 cup of heavy cream, half cup of all-purpose flour, 1 stick of butter, 1 tablespoon of oil. I have 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of salt. This is pink Himalayan salt, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Let's get started. So the first step for this recipe is to cut the chicken breast in half. Like this. You're getting a total of 6 pieces. It's up to you the amount of chicken you would like to make. In my case, I will use 5. So I'm keeping 1 of this and I will use it for another recipe. A really good tip is to smash a little bit your chicken breast so they will be more tender. This is pretty easy. You just need to place some plastic wrap on top and then smash them. At least for 1 minute is good, not that much. You want to smash them a little bit like this and they will be ready to go. Let's season this chicken breast with some salt. You will add the amount of your preference depending on the amount of chicken breast that you're preparing. For me, 1 tablespoon right now is perfect. Let's add some pepper. You could substitute the black pepper for cayenne pepper or chili pepper or other pepper of your preference. For me, black pepper is tastier, so it's up to you the kind of pepper that you would like to use for this recipe. Or maybe you don't want to use pepper at all, so that is optional, totally optional. And you could add some oregano as well if it's something that you would like to add to this recipe. For me, it's good like this. Once your chicken breast is seasoned like this, I put only salt and pepper, but it's up to you if you want to add some other seasoning or other ingredients. For me, it's perfect like this because we are adding more garlic and then the onions, and you will see how good this recipe is. So the next step is basically to coat pretty well all the chicken breast. We are going to need half cup of all-purpose flour for this step. And you are just covering your chicken breast like this. Don't put too much, just a little bit like this. If you would like to add potato or rice flour, It's good as well. It works perfectly for this recipe. If you want to use gluten-free flour, it's good as well. So use whatever you have available in your pantry for this recipe. This is basically what we are looking for. They are perfect, and we can move on to the next step. Now we are melting 1 stick of butter, and the secret for this butter not to get burned is to use 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil. This one is vegetable oil. Preheat your pan to 390 Fahrenheit at least. Medium to high heat is what we are looking for here. Add the butter. You want to melt your butter completely before you place the chicken in here. So you smell this pretty good. Let's add 1 tablespoon of oil. That will prevent your butter from burning, okay? Now let's place the chicken breast. I don't have a space here. Only 4 chicken breasts fit in the skillet, but it's okay if you have a bigger pan than this one. You can fit perfectly 5 chicken breasts here, okay? Let them cook and don't put the lid on. I turn this garlic in minced garlic like this. I put a little bit of olive oil here to keep it fresh. If you want me to show you how do I preserve my garlic like this, minced with oil, just let me know in the comments below, and I will make another video showing you how to do this exactly right, step by step. I'm going to cut these veggies that I have here. You can use other veggies of your preference. If you want to use red onions, it's up to you. You could use yellow or white onions as well. I'm going to slice my peppers like this because I like how they look in this recipe. I'm going to separate the white part to the green part because we're using this part for decoration. Let's keep this for later. At this point, you want to take out your chicken breast. Excess oil and butter. We want to keep at least 1 tablespoon. Let's add the minced garlic. Add the pepper, the onions, and the mushrooms. Let's add a pinch of salt to all of this. How good this garlic and these veggies are deglazing in the pan. So that's pretty much what you want and what you're looking for, is to deglaze your pan with all this goodness. At this point, you want to add your heavy cream, like so. This looks so yummy and the smell is so good. This is gonna be perfect. This is the perfect recipe when you want to do a really quick dinner, lunch, or for an everyday meal. Now let's place the chicken breast here. Wow, this is so good. Look at this, you guys. This is so yummy. And put the chicken broth in there. Let this simmer at least for 5 or 8 minutes. It will depend if you like the cream to be a little bit thicker or thinner. It will be your option. For me, I would like a little bit thicker. I will let it simmer at least for 8 minutes. Wow, look at this. Look at this. This cream is so perfect. Wow. This is so good. You have to make this recipe. Now is the moment to add the green onions on top. This is it. This recipe is ready. If you like this recipe, hit the like button and share this video to someone else that would like to make this recipe. Thank you for following up all of our videos and for subscribing to our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.